Matthews with eXp Realty, and welcome to the newest listing to the Bailey area. Welcome home to this gorgeous Colorado mountain home. You'll enjoy the surrounding vistas, views of the valleys, and 180-degree views from your wraparound deck. Inside, you will love the open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, remodeled kitchen, and the big windows that highlight the views. The kitchen features oak cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and hardwood floors. Located in Berlin Ranchettes, the residents enjoy a privately stocked fishing pond, a park, and local frisbee disc golf course. Berlin is only minutes to National Forest for your outdoor adventures, or minutes to downtown Bailey to socialize at the local brewery, winery, restaurants, or local shopping. Enjoy your morning coffee, watching the wildlife, listening to the birds chirping, and the sounds of the fountain. If you or someone you know would love to call this property home, reach out to me for your private showing or more information. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.